Good morning and welcome to this WisCon presentation on Walking and Working Surfaces, Subpart D, General Industry 1910-23, Ladder Safety. This is a basic overview. My name is Doug Maska. I'm an occupational safety consultant with the WisCon program. I've been with the program now for 3.5 years. And just would like to just run through with you just what the general requirements are and where you can find information on the requirements for all types of ladders. So what standard applies to each ladder type? And that's what I really wanted to focus on with this presentation. First of all, what you see is the general requirements for all ladders, and that's in 1910-23 subparagraph B. Breaking it out even further, as you look, you're going to find the construction requirements for all ladders on 1910-23 subparagraph B3 through B8. And that's going to just run through everything from the fixed ladders to portable ladders to step stools, anything you can think of in regards to ladders and what their general requirements are. The next part of it that you'll see broken out is the inspection requirements for ladders. And that's 1910-23 subparagraph B9 and B10. And this is an important aspect because this is talking specifically about ensuring that you're documenting your inspections of your ladders before each use, and that you're also labeling or removing them from service if you do find structural or other defects. And then the last part that you'll find within this general requirements section of importance is 1910-23 B11 through B13. And that's the use requirements. That's talking about ensuring that your people understand how to use the ladders, training aspects of that, ensuring that they face the ladder when climbing up or down it, ensuring that they use at least one hand to grasp the ladder, and then ensuring that no employee carries any object or load that could cause the employee to lose balance or fall while climbing. So those are all just general OSHA requirements for use. So then we look at a little bit more in detail as the standard goes into portable ladders. Portable ladders is found in 1910-23 subparagraph C. This is going to fall into more of the maximum intended load that you see in 1910-23 C3, just ensuring that ladder is not loaded beyond their maximum intended load. And what that really entails is the maximum intended load is defined in 1910-21 subparagraph B, which includes the total load, weight, and force of the employee in all tools, equipment, and materials being carried. So that's an important aspect to remember when you're looking at your ladders and when you're selecting ladders. Ensuring that these ladders that you're using, whether they be step ladders, extension ladders, combination ladders, etc., that they are not being overloaded by equipment and individuals and so forth. So paying special attention to that and ensuring that you choose the right types of ladders for the right types of situations. As we move forward then, we look at the next section, which is your fixed ladders, which is found in 1910-23 subparagraph D. And really what you're looking for here, and this really just lays out the design and general requirements of fixed ladders. So any from 1910-23 subparagraph D1 through D13 double I. And basically what you're going to find through this is the requirements for minimum perpendicular distance from the center line of the steps or rungs to the nearest permanent structure, grab bars, making sure that they protrude on the climbing side beyond the rungs, a lot of the different design and general requirements, not having a pitch greater than 90 degrees, etc. So that's an important aspect when you are looking at fixed ladders for your facilities and for your buildings and so forth, and what exactly the requirements are for those. So it's very important to make sure you keep an eye on that. The next section then is broken out into two. You'll see mobile ladder stand and then mobile ladder stand platforms. And so what you see here is the general requirements, which are 1910-23 E1I through E1V triple I. And that's going to be running through your general requirements. Once again, that, things such as mobile ladder stands and platforms have a step width of at least 16 inches. ensuring that wheels or casters under load are capable of supporting their proportional share of 4 times the maximum intended load plus their proportional share of the unit's weight. Also, no mobile ladder standard platform moves when an employee is on it. Different aspects of that. So that's where you're gonna find all the general requirements for that. Getting a little bit more into detail, a lot of confusion that we see within this is what exactly is a mobile ladder stand and what exactly is a mobile ladder stand platform. If you look into the standard a little bit deeper, 1910-23, E2I through E2III talks about mobile ladder stands themselves. And the definition of that is a mobile, fixed height, self-supporting ladder that usually consists of wheels or casters on a rigid base and steps leading to a top step. It may also have handrails and is designed typically for use by one employee at a time. This picture here is courtesy of the American Ladder Institute, and this is a good example of a mobile ladder stand. As you can see, it has a fixed height. It has stairs leading up to a top step, and this is where you will find the differences between a mobile ladder stand and a mobile ladder stand platform. And so it's the top step or a top platform. Like I said, typically mobile ladder stands are used by one employee at a time only. And then when we look at the other side of it, the mobile ladder stand platforms, 1910-23 E3I through E3IV talks about these, and it's a mobile fixed height self-supporting unit having one or more standing platforms that are provided with means of access or egress. And so that's where you'll find this is a picture of that. So typically these are designed with a platform at the top with guardrail all the way around that has a mid-rail meeting the requirements for the walking and working surfaces standard. And these can typically be occupied by more than one person, and once again ensuring that you meet that you select the right type to withstand the full intended load.